What's up, YouTube family? It's Keeping Up the Griffins, and we are back with another video. Today's video, we are doing the frozen Greek yogurt
snack challenge.
And we was challenged by keeping up with Queen Eva. Queen Eva, thank you so much for challenging us once again on a healthy snack, because you know we need to eat more healthy, right guys?
Yes, ma'am.
But before we get into the rules of this challenge, we want to welcome you back to the video. And if you're new,
you know what to do. Subscribe, click that bell, dang, dang, like, and comment on our videos down below.
and we'd be happy to have you as a Keeping Up Griffins family. So we're going to get started. So the rules for this challenge is you got to have fun, right? All about having fun. Hey. All right. What's the second rule?
Second rule, you must have Greek yogurt.
Greek yogurt. How about the third?
Third rule, challenge 3 people.
Yeah, challenge 3 people. So that's the rules, guys. So we're gonna get into making this frozen Greek yogurt snack challenge.
Yes.
Okay, so you have your pan. So we're supposed to have a parchment paper, but we don't have any parchment paper, so we use substitution foil, aluminum foil. Okay, so here we have our Greek yogurt. Your coconut flakes. Choice of fruit, mangoes. Honey roasted peanuts. And your maple syrup. And of course you have your tablespoon for your maple syrup. So let's get started. Alright, so first we are going to put the maple syrup, how much you want to use, into the Greek yogurt. I use like maybe 2 tablespoons of it. And then you're going to stir. So J3 is going to sprinkle some coconut flakes all over the frozen snack. Okay, thank you, Jay. Next, Kylie's going to get the mangoes. And last but not least, we're going to do the honey roasted peanuts. And there you have it, your frozen Greek yogurt. So what we're going to do now is let it freeze for 3 hours. So here is the final product. You done let it sit in the freezer for about 3 hours. And this is how it looks. Looks good. So now we're going to do is cut it. So hold it. Hold it. Let's see how it tastes. 1, 2, ready, go. Yeah, real good. Real cold. Real good.
I rated a 9.
9?
8.
About 10. Okay. So the twins love it. I love it. I'm sure Drew will love it. So we have to challenge 3 people, remember? So who do you think we should challenge, Kylie?
I think we should challenge Shy, Sarai, Vlogs.
Okay.
I think Test Mess Life.
That's Mess Life, okay. And I think that we should also challenge Passport Quincy. So, you guys, make sure you get into this frozen Greek yogurt snack challenge. And we'll see you guys soon.
Bye.
Peace.